Hello, family. Welcome back to our story time. We are going to talk about Noah builds the ark, found in the book of Genesis, chapter 6, verse 1, and there we jump to chapter 7, verse 5. A long time passed after Cain killed Abel. The land was full of people. God looked at the world he had made. The people were wicked. God said, I am sorry I made these people. But God saw one good man named Noah. He told Noah, I am going to wipe out the people I made. They will die with all things on the earth. Only you are living right. So you and your family will be saved. Then God told Noah to build a huge boat called an ark. This ark was as big as a 3-story building. I'm going to flood the earth with water. God said, all the people and all the animals will drown. Noah, God went on, bring 2 of every kind of animal into the ark. Gather food for them and yourself. Then go into the ark with your family. In 7 days, I will send rain. The rain will fall for 40 days. Everything I created will be wiped off the earth. And Noah did all the things God told him to do. The question of today is, why did God flood the earth? Why did he save Noah? We have to listen to the voice of God all the time. Thank you. Until next time. God bless you.